Today, we are going to be looking at our resource manager and our file library and learning about the areas in which we can share documents as a group. As an administrator, you'll have access to our resource manager in order to provide your chapter with single documents. The resource manager is an area where you will want to place single documents that you want to make available to your chapter. So in this, when the pop-up window comes up, you'll want to actually start at the bottom here, where you'll want to drop files here or click to upload. We're going to select our December chapter meeting minutes. We're going to make those available. And we're also going to make our January chapter meeting minutes available. So I've got two documents here. We're going to go ahead and upload both of those files. And it takes just a moment to do that since we've got two of them. Both are green checked. And those have been uploaded and are now available in our resource manager. So we're able to now go into our custom page and make those resources available for our chapter. On the other side of things, that we do have a file library as well. Our file library allows us to make multiple documents available to our chapters in one click of a button. In order to use the file library, you do have to add a collection, and this is going to be naming the collection of documents that we're going to be providing. So let's say we're providing meeting minutes. We're going to name our collection meeting minutes. Now, do we want to, the next question asks us if we want to make this available to everybody in our group to be able to edit or not. So if we enabled this question, collaboration wiki mode, we are allowing any group members who may view this document a way to change those. Or if you disable that option, it means that only group administrators may edit or contribute to the collection that you're making available. You're also able to put in, so for this purposes, we are going to say disabled and only allow group administrators to make changes to that, to these files. You're also able to put in a description. You're able to describe what it is that these documents that you're collecting are. So these are our chapter meeting minutes. So we're going to go ahead and save this as our new collection. So right now we've just named our collection and described it. Now we need to add a new item to this collection. We need to start adding our files that we're going to make available to our chapters. So we want to make our January meeting minutes. So do you want to make this protected? Does a member need to be signed in to access the file? Yes or no? And then we need to select our file from our computer that we're going to upload. And we're also able to put in a description as well. As we're uploading this document, we do have to agree with the terms of upload, and we'll hit submit. Our upload takes just a few minutes, and we can now see that our January meeting minutes are in our collection. Let's add a few more documents to this. With our December meeting, agree to the terms. And let's add one more. Okay, so we have 3 documents that are available in this meeting minutes collection. We're able to decide if we want the order of the documents and how they're listed, so we can move them up if we should like. And if we want the January ones to be first, we can do that. Or we can number them here. So 1, 2, and 3. And you hit enter, and it will organize your files to be in the order that you would like. Now, with a custom page, what we can do is make these available on our custom pages. So we have our custom meeting minutes page that's already been created, and we're able to edit this page. And on our custom page here, we can see that we'll need the name of our page, the show in groups menu. This question asks if we should make this page available up at the top in the menu. Collaboration and wiki mode means that asks if other group members viewing the page are able to edit this page or not. And so that's up to you. If you would like to make this something that your group members, a page that your group members can edit, you can do that. Enable bookmark widget. This is enabling the bookmark widget at the top and making that available to all your members. Redirection asks if your group would like to redirect this page to a different page. Maybe the content has become out of date or out of use and you would like it to go to a different page, you can do that. If you'd like it searchable on your site index. Enable voting and scoring. This is a feature that will allow you, your members to rate your page, whether they use it or not. And this is where I really want to call your attention to is the group file collection. These are the collections in your file library that you're able to make available on your page. So at the current time, we do not have any file collections available. And you saw that our meeting minutes, we just had content that we typed in here. We don't have any file collections available at this time. When we edit this page, we are able to make these file collections available on our site. So we just created our meeting minutes file collection, and we're able to make that available on our site. As well, if you're only wanting to make have a specific document available, we are able to add spell that right. We're able to make one specific file available in our text editor here at the bottom. You would want to type in what you would want your wording to be. And then in order to insert a file, you would go to the Insert button here. And then you would find the Document Manager, and it's got that little paper with the paper clip on it. And you would select that. And this manager will bring up your Resource Manager. And you're able to select just one file to insert for your chapter. And this will make just the December meeting minutes available to your chapter. At the end, you need to make sure to hit Save. And that will save your custom page. So now we can go back to our meeting minutes page and see that we've added a lot more content here. We've added not only just the chapter minutes in one single document, but we've also made the file library available to this page. So we can choose either our January, our December, or our October meeting minutes. I hope this has been helpful. Please let us know if you have questions about the Resource Manager, creating custom pages, or your file library. Thank you.